Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your working file so the banner behaves predictably on all devices. Open an image editor and create a 2560 by 1440 px canvas at 72 dpi. This matches YouTube's recommended size. Once done, add guides for the central 1546 by 423 px safe area and place critical logos or text inside it so they won't be cropped. Make sure background elements extend. Next, you handle export and the actual upload because correct settings determine final appearance. Export the banner as PNG or a high-quality JPEG, keep the file size under 6 MB, and ensure the sRGB color profile is embedded so colors stay consistent. Once exported, go to your YouTube channel customization, upload the image, and use the platform preview to inspect desktop, mobile, and TV crops. If elements look off, return to the layered file, adjust positions or scaling, and re-export. To finish, verify the final banner directly on channel pages and make minor tweaks if needed. You should check that all text and logos remain inside the 1546 by 423 px safe area so nothing gets cut off on mobile or TV. If the new banner doesn't appear, clear your browser cache or view the channel in an incognito window. Sometimes YouTube serves a cached image. And if cropping or blurring persists, re-export at the exact 2560 by 1440 px dimensions with higher quality settings and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.